Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to see how to do tasks in Adopt Me. So I really like doing these and we'll get money so fast that we even don't notice. So it's going to be really interesting, and let's just wait for the tasks to come. So let's just hang out a bit. Let's just go somewhere. Let's see. Okay, we got an party. Let's just go. Hi, welcome to my little cafe. I have a cafe where you can buy food and you're invited here. Okay, let's just go and see, and after that we will get some tasks. Now, where is that cafe? Oh, it's this. Alright. Yeah, you have arrived. So this is the cafe. Let's see. So guest room. Okay. Oh, so nice, right? Wow, that is so good. Yeah. Wow. Okay, I don't know where the cafe is. I mean, this is like a beautiful house, but let's see. Okay, now let's go up, and I just don't know where the cafe is. I mean, there is guest rooms, there's a kitchen, there is everything, but I just don't know where the cafe is. So we are getting some tasks. What am I even saying? Tasks now. So let's just wait. Okay, there is no cafe here. I think I thought we could, drink some coffee right here. So this is a beautiful, yeah, that is a very beautiful house, right? So let's just go to our house, and I'm going to take my Puma. Oh, a task just vanished because we didn't do it. So we have to be really careful, right? Oh, what? In my house there is no bed. So unfortunately I have to go to the gifts display, and then I will be sleeping in the school. Right, there we go, something like this. Now let me take my pen. Okay, now I am even going to make a sleep. Okay, there we go. Now after we do all these, we'll get about 350 bucks, right? I always buy a cracked egg, and I'm not like a royal egg person, so I'm just, if I get 350 bucks, I'll just go and buy it, and after I hatch that egg, I'll make it grow a bit, and after that, if I again get 350 bucks, I'll go and again buy an cracked egg. So that really has worked for me. So, and you may say, why do you only have like these many pets? I know, right? But I just tell it out to my friends, so just don't worry about that. And ginger cat, oh, that is so cool. Oh, I don't have money, or I know we hatch this together. That is so cool, right? They're giving a ginger cat. But let's just see if they have any offers for. Okay, they are already in a trade. But okay, we have got. Okay, we got. Wait. Oh, what happened? Come on. This decline only will work. Okay, now I'm going to be eating, so you have to go to your food, and you just can take whatever you want. I'm taking a pizza because that is literally free, and I just wanted to save all the foods. I just don't know why I like to save foods. I like save everything. I just don't know. But oh, my baby is just seeing me. Wait. Is she hungry? Okay, she's thirsty. So I even have like a water drinking for pets in my house, but I'm just going to, for people who don't know this, there is even some water places in the school and in the nursery. So I'm going to show you in the nursery, so that's like pretty easy for me. So I'm just going here, and this you have to make it drink, and then that's it. It would drink and the task would be completed. Now we have to rush and go and take bath in a house. So let's just reset character, equip her, and then let's go up. And this is like quite very simple house, you guys. This is not like the best I could ever do. So yeah, let me first do it. Yeah, now I'm going to make my Puma do it. Okay, she's like, please make me shower. I know, baby. Okay, now yeah, my Puma is also clean. Now we are going to the hot spring. We'll do like a 4 or 5 more tasks and end it with this video. So I think I have covered everything pretty much. Yeah, so this is the hot spring. Let me just take a vehicle because it's taking me forever, right? So this is like the easiest vehicle I can handle, you know what I mean? Yeah, the Puma is going to get aged up, so I'm so happy. No, thank you. You're under. I'm just flying. Alright. This is where I always come when I come to hot spring. Like nobody would be here, only me and my pet. So hot spring takes a while. So let's wait. I'm going to feed my Puma. If you want to feed her, you have to touch her, click feed, and then you have to click whatever food you want to feed. So, oh, I got a trade request, but I can't do that because I'm feeding her. If you just touch it, you will go right here. Now I'm trading him again to see if he has any good offers. I'm putting my Puma, I'm putting my crab, and that doesn't work. At least something legendary. Maybe I have this too. I have this, and I have this too. He just, maybe I could put something else, right? So maybe something else. I'm just gonna put this egg. Oh, he accepted it. Wait, I really wanted that, but yeah, let's just put something else. Probably I'm going to put something in food, something good. I'm going to put like a lot of pizzas, but I know he's going to decline, but let's just, oh, I know that, right? Fine. Okay, now my pet has turned into Junior, so I'm so happy for her. Now let's just name her something. For now I'm going to name her Cookie, and you could just tell whatever name you want in the in the comments, so I will name her that. So, oh, I didn't want to switch to a parrot, I just want to be a baby. Come on, wait. This takes so long. Like what just happened? My screen is totally stuck. Come on. That's enough. Okay. Oh, what's wrong with me though? Oh, I don't look good. Well, I'm switching to a baby, and I'm going to take my Puma out, and I'm going to name her Cookie. So okay, okay. What? No. What is wrong again? So you guys can comment down below what you want to name this Puma. So I'm going to name her Cookie. I just love the name Cookie. I just don't know why. But yeah. Yay, we named her. You guys tell in the comments, and whatever the first comment is going to be, we're going to name Cookie the name. Yeah. So yeah, what happened? Okay. Look how adorable the heart is, isn't it? So I did pretty much all the tasks, and I hope you liked this video. If so, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon and comment down below what video you want the next. Bye.